welcome back to Road Thrills. Today, we've got something truly special for you, a modern twist on a classic icon, the 2026 Citroën 2CV. It's got that unmistakable charm, but with some fresh updates that make it stand out in today's market. Let's dive into the exterior, interior, performance, and pricing. Stick around. It's going to be a fun ride. First off, the exterior. The 2026 2CV retains that retro appeal that made the original so beloved. You've got the signature corrugated steel panels, but this time, they're paired with sleek, modern lines. The round headlights give it a nostalgic vibe, while the bold grille up front makes it feel more contemporary. It's compact, it's quirky, and it just has that undeniable Citroën character. Plus, with its modern LED lights and updated alloys, the 2026 2CV strikes a perfect balance between past and present. The profile is instantly recognizable, with that distinctive curvy silhouette. But, if you look closer, you'll notice the subtle changes like the sharper rear end and the more aerodynamic design. It's still a small car, but with a more dynamic presence on the road. Now, let's hop inside. The interior of the 2026 2CV has definitely evolved from the old-school utilitarian feel of its predecessors. Don't worry, it's still minimalistic, but with a modern touch. The cabin feels surprisingly roomy, and the materials used give it a more premium vibe. You've got a simple yet functional dashboard with a digital touch screen, blending retro and modern tech seamlessly. And the seats, comfortable, with a new fabric design that's both stylish and practical. In terms of performance, the 2026 2CV is perfect for city driving. It's powered by a small but efficient electric motor that gives you smooth acceleration and impressive range, around 250 miles on a single charge. It's not about speed, it's about getting you from point A to B with ease, and that's exactly what it does. The handling is light and nimble, making it a joy to zip around town. Finally, pricing. The 2026 Citroën 2CV is priced around $25,000, which is pretty competitive for a modern electric city car. It's not the cheapest out there, but for the nostalgic charm and the eco-friendly performance, it's definitely worth considering. So there you have it, the 2026 Citroën 2CV, a perfect blend of old-school charm with modern tech and eco-conscious performance. What do you think of this new take on a classic? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews right here on Road Thrills. Until next time, drive safe and keep enjoying the ride.